Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your oil paint brushes and to clean the thinner or the turpentine that it's in. So you cannot dump it down the sink, so you don't do that. But as you can see, they're really filthy. So you just want to scrape all the excess on the sides. Then you want to put a handful of just dish soap in the palm of your hand. Take your brush and you spin it in circles like this. And you can repeat this about 3 times per brush. And you just wash it out. This is what we've found is the best way to clean your brushes and to get them soft again. So I believe this one is clean and we'll move on. So here's a really big brush that will clean. You can also put the soap straight on the brush and kind of massage it into the brush like this. See how it's lifting all that paint? That's what you want to happen. There's many soaps that are out there that are meant to clean oil brushes, but just regular dish soap is actually the best. So now I will show you how to clean the thinner, and you can save this and keep reusing it. So a lot of people, when they're done oil painting, they don't know what to do with it. You don't throw it away, you can reuse it, and all the paint will sink to the bottom and the clean stuff will be on top. So how you're going to clean this is you leave one of your brushes still in there and you stir it around, get all the paint at the bottom. You want it to just mix all together. And then you're gonna need a jar with a lid. And this will be called your sludge jar. So you pour all your dirty thinner in here. And see, that's pretty clean. If I wanted to get this even cleaner, I'm gonna take some of this, which is another sludge jar, and as you can see, all the paint sank to the bottom, so all the stuff on top is clear and usable. So I'm gonna pour a little bit in here, just to clean out everything, and swirl it around, that's what I meant to say, okay. And then you'll just let this jar sit for about 3 days, and it will all the paint will sink to the bottom and you'll be able to use this again. And that's how you clean your brushes.